Hey, Tim's Tips here. I have a real problem. I've got water on the floor in the van and I don't know where it's coming from. If you've listened to my videos, you've learned that this van has a foam floor. It's a poured foam. It's like marine foam that I poured, leveled off, and put aluminum on top of it. And so it's going to be hard to get to the core of what's leaking in here. Is it the water tank? Is it from outside? Is it the toilet? So stay tuned and maybe we'll find out together.
So in the aluminum floor, I had put about every foot one of these holes to pour the foam in, and also for inspection of the floor. So that's good I did this because there's water in here. Not a lot, but enough to soak the top of the floor there. It doesn't get into the aluminum, but it's underneath the floor. So what did I do? I looked at the drain vents, drain holes in the back of the Sprinter van, and I reamed these out. There were several of them that were plugged, and I opened them up. I did find water here. If you look real close, you can see the water, but it wasn't a lot. I didn't get a drip of it. I just got a little bit of water in here that needed opening up. So this is not the cause of it. Obviously, this is not at floor level. Here's some of the drains that were fully plugged at the factory. The Mercedes-Benz factory had stopped these. But here I think is a real problem, is the seal is failing around the windows. I use this Dynaflex 230, pretty expensive water cleanable compound. Had made all these claims that it was really good and in a lifetime guarantee, but did not say I needed to coat it with paint in order to stop it from failing on outside from the ultraviolet rays. So I have 3 windows to recaulk, and I will get back to you in several months to see if it worked, if this was the root cause of the problem. So thanks for watching. This has been a Tim's Tips video.